A clutch is a mechanical device used in vehicles with manual transmissions to temporarily disengage the engine from the drivetrain, allowing you to change gears or come to a complete stop without stalling the engine. It also re-engages the engine and drivetrain when you're ready to move. Here's a simplified explanation of how it works. Main components. 1. Clutch pedal. The pedal you press to disengage the clutch. 2. Pressure plate. Holds the clutch disc against the flywheel. 3. Clutch disc. Sits between the flywheel and the pressure plate, and is the main friction component. 4. Flywheel. A rotating disc connected to the engine's crankshaft. 5. Throw-out bearing, release bearing. Engages, disengages the pressure plate when the clutch pedal is pressed, released. 6. Clutch fork. Operates the throw-out bearing. How it works. 1. Engaged, normal state. 1. Engine power flow. When the clutch is engaged, pedal released, the engine's power is transmitted to the wheels. 2. Pressure plate. The pressure plate pushes the clutch disc firmly against the flywheel, which is spinning with the engine. 3. Clutch disc. The friction between the clutch disc and the flywheel allows power to flow from the engine to the drivetrain. 2. Disengaged, pedal pressed. 1. Clutch pedal. Pressing the clutch pedal activates the throw-out bearing via the clutch fork. 2. Throw-out bearing. Moves towards the pressure plate, forcing its fingers to release. 3. Pressure plate. Pulls away from the clutch disc. 4. Clutch disc. No longer pressed against the flywheel, disconnecting the engine from the drivetrain. 3. Gear change. 1. With the clutch disengaged, you can shift gears without damaging the gearbox or stalling the engine. 4. Re-engagement. Pedal released. 1. Clutch pedal. Releasing the pedal causes the throw-out bearing to move back, away from the pressure plate. 2. Pressure plate. Moves back towards the clutch disc. 3. Clutch disc. Presses against the flywheel again, reconnecting the engine to the drivetrain. This is a simplified explanation, and clutches can come in different types and complexities, but this covers the basic operation of most automotive clutches.